Hello everyone. Today we discuss exercise 8.3 of chapter matrices. Here is the first question. If A equal to this matrix and B equal to this matrix, is the product of AB possible? Given region. If yes, then find the product. So first of all, we define when the product of matrix is possible or not possible. So if number of column of a first matrix, that means A, equal to number of row of the second matrix, that means B. Okay, if these two are equal, then product AB will be defined. If so, here number of column of matrix A is 2 and matrix B row are 2. So number of column and number of row are equal. Therefore product AB will be defined. Now here you see find the product AB. So first row will be multiplied to the first column and corresponding element will be multiplied. So here you see first row element 3 and 5 and first column element 2 and 4. So 3 multiplied by 2 and 5 multiplied by 4 and put the sign between them plus. First row will be multiplied by the first column, then after second row will be multiplied by the first column. So 4 multiplied by 2, then put the sign between them plus, and minus 2 multiplied by 4. So plus minus will be minus, therefore here is a sign is minus. So 8 minus 8 and 6 plus 4, 26 and 4. Order of this matrix is 2, 1. 2 row first horizontal line and second horizontal line and one vertical line. So order of this matrix is 2 by 1. Now you see question number 4. Given this matrix, then find out value of A square minus 4A. So for A square, here we find out A into A, not whole square of it. Means 1 square, 8 square, 3 square. That is wrong. If you find out A square in matrix multiplication, then you find the product A into A. So A into A, write down A twice, 1, 1, 8, 3, 1, 1, 8, 3. So we see here first row multiplied by the first column, 1 into 1, then 1 into 8 and put the sign between them plus, then space, then first row second column, 1 into 1 and 1 into 3. So first row first column and first row second column is over. Now second row first column and second row second column. So 1 multiplied by 8 and 3 multiplied by 8. So here are 8 plus 24, then sign and then put the space between them, then 8 multiplied by 1 and 3 multiplied by 9, 8 plus 9. So we have 9, 4, 32, 17. Now we have to require to find out A square minus 4A. So for that A square is 9, 4, 32, 17 and 4A means 4 multiplied by in each element of this matrix, each element of A. Okay, so 4 multiplied by 1, 4 multiplied by 1, then 4 multiplied by 8 and 4 multiplied by 3. So this one is a scalar multiplication. In scalar multiplication, every element of multiplied by scalar. So we get 4, 4, 32, 12. After here is a sign is minus, so we will subtract corresponding element. 9 minus 4, 4 minus 4, 32 minus 32, 17 minus 12. So we get 5005. This one is the answer. Next question you see question number 6. If A equal to this matrix, B equal to this matrix, then find A and within bracket BA. So to find A into BA, so first we find B into A. So multiplied B into A. So 2 multiplied by 1 and 1 multiplied by 2 means first row first column, then after first row second column, then after that second row first column and second row second column. So after multiplication we get these element and then we get a new matrix 4, 5, 5, 4. According to question we have to find out A, then within bracket BA. So first we find out BA, then again we multiplied A to the BA. So A is 1, 2, 2, 1 and BA 4, 5, 5, 4. So again you see first row multiplied by the first column, then first row multiplied by the second column, Now first row multiplication is finished, so start the second row first column and second row second column, and here again corresponding element will be multiplied. So 4 into 1 4, 5, 2 into 5 10, then 1 into 5 2 into 4. So after that 2 into 4 1 into 5, then 2 into 5, then 1 into 4. Okay, so we get a matrix 4 14 13 13 14. That is the answer. Now next you see question number 8. Evaluate this: 4 sin 30, 2 cos 60, sin 90, 2 cos 0 multiplied by 4 5 5 4. So first of all we solve the standard angle of the trigonometry. So sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, sin 90 is 1, cos 0 is 1. So here we put the value of sin 30, cos 60, sin 90, cos 0. After simplification we get 2 1 1 2, and then we multiplied by 4 5 5 4. So after multiplication we get 8 plus 5 10 plus 4 4 plus 10 5 plus 8. Then final answer will be 13 14 14 13. Now you see next question, question number 12. If A equal to this matrix, B equal to this, and C equal to this matrix, then compute A within bracket B plus C. Here we consider first sub part. So first of all we consider sum of these two matrices. In addition of two matrix, order will be same and corresponding element will be added. So order of first matrix B 2 by 2, order of second matrix also 2 by 2, and corresponding element will be added. So 2 plus 5, 1 plus 2, 4 plus 7, and 2 plus 4. Here after addition we get the value 7 2 11 6. Then we multiplied by A. So A multiplied by B plus C. So here we see 1 multiplied by 7, 2 multiplied by 11. Then after first row, first we multiplied first row first column, then first row second column. After that second row first column, second row second column. Corresponding element will be multiplied. So we get the answer 29 14 65 30. Okay, next one you see question number 14. If A equal to 1 0 2 1, B equal to 2 3 minus 1 0, then find the value of A square plus AB plus B square. So for this first we find out A square. A square means A into A, not a whole square. 1 square 0, 2 square 1 square, that is wrong. For A square we find out A into A. So here we write down A into A, and then we multiplied first row first column, first row second column, second row first column, then second row second column. We get 1 0 4 1. Then in similar way we find out value of B into B. So B square, that is B square, B into B, that is B square. So we get 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into minus 1, 2 into 3, 3 into 0, then minus 1 into 2, 0 into minus 1, then minus 1 into 3, and 0 into 0. So we get the value 1 6 minus 2 minus 3. Now we find out the product AB. So product AB, here is A matrix and B matrix. After multiplication we get 2 3 3 6. So we simply put the value of A square, AB and B square, and here are sign plus, and order of 3 matrix first second third same. So corresponding element will be added: 1 plus 2 plus 1, 0 plus 3 plus 6, 4 plus 3 plus minus 2, then 1 plus 6 plus minus 3. So we get 4 9 5 4. That is the answer. Now see question number 18. So that this matrix is a solution of the matrix equation x square minus 2x minus 3i equal to null matrix, where I is the unit matrix. So for that first we consider 1 2 2 1. Suppose that this one is a x. Now we find out x square. So for x square we multiplied x into x. So x into x, after multiplication we get 5 4 4 5. Now we simply put the value of x square, x and I. I is the identity matrix. So we get 5 4 4 5, then 2 1 2 2 1 and 3 identity matrix 1 0 0 1. After this 2 will be multiplied in every element of this matrix, and 3 also will be multiplied in every element of matrix. Then after we see here is a 4 5 4 4 5, then minus sign, then again minus sign, so corresponding element will be subtracted. After that we get, after solving we get 0 0 0, that means every element are 0 0, so we get a null matrix, that is a RHS. So if suppose that x, then this x will be satisfied this equation. Okay, now you see question number 22, second sub part, find the value of x. So matrices are 2x, x, y, 3y, second matrix 3, 2 and 16, 9. So here are the first matrix order is 2 by 2 and second matrix order is 2 by 1. So here you see number of column equal to number of row. Number of column of first matrix is equal to the number of row of the second matrix. So matrix multiplication will be defined. Okay, so here we get 2x into 3 and then put the sign plus x into 2. So we get 6x plus 2x. After that y will be multiplied by 3, then put the sign plus, and 3y will be multiplied by 2. So 6y, 3y plus 6y, 9y. So 8x or 9y. And here you see in right hand side and left hand side matrices are same order, so corresponding element will be comparable. So 8x will be equal to 16, 9y equal to 9, x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. That is the answer. Now see question number 27. If A equal to 2 by 2 matrix 2x 0 1 and B equal to 4 36 0 1, then to find the value of x if A square equal, given that A square equal to B. So here we first find out A square. A square means A into A. Here is a matrix, again is a matrix, simply be multiplied. A into A, you get 4 3x 0 1, and according to question A square equal to B is given. So we compare the corresponding element. 3x equal to 36, so x equal to 12. That is next question. You see question number 34. Let m into 1 1 0 2 equal to 1 2, where m is a matrix, then they state the order of the matrix and find the matrix m. So here you see m is matrix and this one is also matrix. So matrix, here is a sign is multiplication. So matrix multiplication is defined when number of column of first matrix will be equal to the number of row of first matrix. So here number of column of m will be equal to the number of row of second matrix. So number of column, number of row of second matrix is 2, that will be equal to number of column of first matrix. And now see the resultant matrix. Resultant matrix row is 1 and that row will be equal to the row of matrix m, because here is the sign is equal. Okay, so order of m will be 1 by 2. Now we suppose that element of 1 m are A, B, that is order, here is order is 1 by 2. So we put the simply value of m, A, B, and then 1 1 0 2. After multiplication we get A plus 0, A plus 2B. Here is a 1 2. You see order is same and sign is equal, so corresponding element will be equal. So A equal to 1 and A plus 2B equal to 2. Put the value of A in here 1, then 2B equal to 2. So we get B equal to 1 by 2 and final answer is m 1 and 1 by 2. Okay, now you see question number 37, first sub part. If A equal to this matrix and B equal to this 2 by 2 and 2 by 1, then find the matrix C such that AC equal to B. So here again you see A into C means matrix multiplication is defined. So here you see order of A is 2 by 2 and C it is an equal, and order of B is 2 by 1. So matrix multiplication is defined when number of column of first matrix equal to the number of row of the second matrix. So here is a row of C is 2. Now here you see resultant matrix order is 2 by 1. So number of column of resultant matrix will be equal to the number of column of C. So order of C is 2 by 1. Okay. Now You see, so here C each order of C each 2 by 1 row by column. So we consider C as A B 2 by 1. So here is a simple multiplication. First row multiplied by the first column A into 2 minus 1 into B. Then second row first column minus 4 into A and then 5 into B. And here is the sign is equal, so corresponding element will be equal. 2A minus B equal to minus 3 minus 4A plus 5B equal to 2. Here from first equation we find the value of B and put this B in second equation. So minus 4A plus 5B, B is 2A plus 3 equal to 2. After solving we get A equal to minus 13 upon 6. This A put in equation B equal to 2A plus 3. So 2A plus 3 B equal to minus 13 by 6 plus 3. After solving we get minus 4 by 3. So C matrix order is 2 by 1. Element are A, B, value of A is minus 13 by 6 and value of B is minus 4 by 3. So that is the final answer. So this is all about the matrices, matrix addition, multiplication, subtraction and scalar multiplication. So matrix chapter will be finished. Now as a homework you do question number 3, 5, 10, 13, 16, 19, 24, 29, 32, 35, 39 of exercise 8.3. If you have any doubt then ask me through WhatsApp